Hi everyone! If you're preparing for the CELPIP test, this video will really help you. These are real practical tips that can help you stay calm and even raise your score. Let's get started. Number 1, arrive early. Arrive at the test center at least 45 minutes early. If your test starts at 9, it's best to arrive around 8:15. Check the location before test day. Traffic can be bad, so try public transit. Be there at least 15 minutes before the start. If you're late, you can't enter or get a refund. Number 2, check in and seating. So when you arrive, the first thing you'll do is check in. Show your photo ID, sign, and they'll take your picture. After that, put your water bottle, bag, phone, and watch in the locker. Then you'll get a sheet called test taker note paper. It shows your name, registration number, and PIN. You can write notes on it during the test. Don't worry about bringing a pen, they'll give you one there. Number 3 is listening part. The test starts with listening. All questions are spoken, not written, so listen carefully. Also, take notes while listening. You'll forget details later. Sometimes there's a video question where several people talk. If that happens, write down who's speaking. Sometimes they say names, but not always. In that case, write what they look like or where they sit. For example, man, woman right, woman left. Number 4 is reading part. If a question feels too hard, just guess and go to the next one. Don't spend too much time on one question. The screen will move automatically when time is up. So never leave it blank. Choose any answer first, and if you have time later, you can change it. Many people say task 3 is the hardest, so stay calm and keep going. Number 5, writing part. Don't worry too much about spelling. If a word is wrong, it will get a red underline. Then you can right-click with your mouse to see the correct word and fix it. Also, keep an eye on the timer. Time goes by quickly. Number 6, use templates for your answers. There are 8 tasks in the CELPIP speaking test, and having a simple template for each one makes speaking much easier. For example, you can start like this. Hi, I totally understand your concern, and I really appreciate that you brought this up. This kind of sentence helps you begin naturally and confidently. And don't forget to prepare a closing line too, such as, "This is my advice. Call me if you need help." Having both a starting and an ending line makes your answer sound smooth and complete. If you want to see templates for each task, check out the video on the top right. They show examples you can practice and use in your own answers. Number 7, during the test. If one question doesn't go well, forget about it right away. Don't think about your last answer. It's already gone. If you keep worrying about it, you might miss the next question. So, take a breath, reset your mind, and focus on what's in front of you. Every new task is a new chance to do better. Quick summary. Now you know what really happens at the CELPIP Test Center. Be clear, be confident, and stay calm. You've got this. Good luck on your test.